Samsung Gear S4 introduction. After months of speculation, Samsung has officially unveiled the Galaxy Watch at its Unpacked event in New York. The smartwatch, which replaces the Gear S3 as the flagship, is the first of the company's wearables to be aligned under the Galaxy banner, and will come featuring 4G support and 7-day battery life. Physical specs. In terms of the physical specs, the 42mm option will feature a 1.2-inch, 360 by 360 Super AMOLED display, weighing 49 grams and officially clock in at 41.9 by 45.7 by 12.7 millimeters. And that's slightly different to its hefty 46mm sibling, which comes in at 46 by 49 by 13 millimeters, weighs 63 grams and packs a 1.3-inch screen of the same 360 by 360 resolution. Both watches are waterproof with A5 ATM certification, letting you take it for a swim at up to 50 meters depth.
Everywhere.
Samsung Galaxy Watch battery life and power. The 46mm Samsung Galaxy Watch has a huge 472 mAh battery, while the smaller model is only a 270 mAh cell. Samsung said on stage that you can use the Galaxy Watch for 7 days without having to recharge it, but what that'll translate to in terms of real-life usage remains to be seen. If the 42mm one can do a whole 7 days from that size cell, we'd be surprised. It may be that Samsung is talking about a low-energy mode that will turn off some of the main Galaxy Watch features. Features and operating system. Both will come running Tizen OS 4.0 not Wear OS, as was rumored pre-announcement, and feature the now signature rotating bezel, NFC for payments, 4GB of internal memory, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and IP68 water resistance rating. There's plenty of sensors on board, too: a heart rate monitor, accelerometer, gyro, barometer and an ambient light sensor. Letting users cut away from their smartphones and go standalone is clearly a much more real experience with the Galaxy Watch, thanks to its improved battery life and 4G capabilities. But the device will also debut new wellness and exercise features from Samsung. The watch will be able to automatically detect high levels of stress and offer users breathing exercises to help keep them relaxed and focused, while also track sleep cycles during the night. Then, during more active hours, the Galaxy Watch will be able to offer 21 new indoor exercises, tracking a total of 39 workouts, and also let users log details of their nutrition through Bixby Vision on a Galaxy device. Price and release date.
I could be everywhere.
The 42mm Galaxy Watch will be available for $329.99, while the 46mm version will cost $349.99. Both will be available in the US via Amazon, Best Buy and Samsung.com starting on the 24th of August. Pre-orders begin the 10th of August. In the UK, the watches will be on sale from the 6th of September. The LTE version of the watch will arrive on T-Mobile, at Verizon and Spring later in 2018. We're still awaiting on LTE details in the UK. There's no indication on pricing, but it's definitely going to cost you more for the luxury of an untethered experience.